Assalamu alaikum class 3. Today our topic is about creating a new document. If you want to create your documents in a Word, for selecting it we have to go on the option which is at the top left corner of the MS Word and here file, and the next step a dialog box appears in it and we can see the next option is a new, and then just click it. Step 3, you can see a blank document option, you can see here, just click on this. So students, our next topic is entering text in the Word. How we can enter the text in the Word? Just simply click the left click in the work area and start typing here. Next topic is selecting text in the Word. If you want to select your text in the MS Word, simply place the cursor before the text where you want to select it, and keep the mouse here and press the button of the mouse and just drag the mouse and your text will be selected. Next topic is about deleting the text. There are the two characters we can use it and we can delete the text in the MS Word. The first one is the delete key and the next one is the backspace key. If we wish to remove or delete the character, at the right side of the cursor we have to select the delete option, and if we remove or delete the character, at the left side of the cursor you just click the backspace key, in which you can see there's a practice zone and you have to solve it by yourself. And the next topic is about formatting text. There are so many options we can format our text in the MS Word, and all options and commands are given in the home tab, in which you can change the font size of your text and also the change the font color and font size, and also make your text in the bold, italic and underline form. You can see these three options are available in the home tab, and there are some examples given in the three options. Like if you select the bold option, then your text will be in this way, and if you select your text to create as like in italic, and your text will be some in slant form, and if you select the underline option, your all text will be selected as underline form. And you can see there's a line under the text will be appeared. And next topic is about how we can save a document in MS Word. The first step is just go to the file option. If you go there, then a dialog box appear. You can see as there's an option save as. We just click it. And the next option, the third step, we have the browse option and we have to select it. And the next fourth step is about a file name. We write a file name here. And the next and last step 5, just go to the save. You can see here you can see a save option here, just click it and our document is saved in MS Word. And the next topic is how to close a document. Just go to the file tab and choose the close option and our document will be closed. So students, today we have completed our chapter and you have to read it and also practice of this that we have studied in this chapter, and also do practice of the features which are available in the MS Word 2013. Okay, Allah Hafiz.